Are you looking for a way to make money online? Are you looking for a way to make more money this year? You have come to the right channel, and I'm going to show you how you can make money online by giving an honest answer on a particular product or giving your honest opinion about an app. Your opinion matters a lot to producers. They want to really know how well their product is being accepted in the market. So this product or producers are looking for people that will give an honest review of this product, and you can get paid by giving your honest opinion concerning their product. So, but before I show you the name of the website, welcome to One Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward ways of making money online. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe to my video and turn on the notification bell to get other valuable videos. Thank you. The name of the website I'm showing you today is MetroOpinion. You can get that. I will leave the link in the video, www.metroopinion.com. It says paid surveys earn money online, work from home. It is as easy as anything. You can make money by using your phone or your laptop. Get up to $3.5 for each survey. Safe and easy payment. So look at it. How to earn with paid survey in 3 steps. Number 1, you sign up. Everyone can join. It is easy to sign up, and it only takes 30 seconds to start your registration. Number 2, you will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly. Your opinions are anonymous, so your opinion, you will not be. It means your faces or your name will not be shown, but your opinion will be counted. Number 3, get paid. So it's as simple as that. When you reach the payment threshold, you can get paid with 1 click. So this is it. Earn money online. It is easy with MetroOpinion. Another thing about it is, this is the payment. This is how their payment structure is. You can get your money through PayPal, through voucher, and you can also make donations with it. So PayPal is easy if you prefer cash payment. When you reach the payment threshold, you can withdraw your money with 1 click. Make sure that your email address on MetroOpinion is the same as the one you use for PayPal. So whenever you are registering, make sure that the email you use for PayPal is the one you are going to use for MetroOpinion. Vouchers are popular also, and many users prefer them. You can spend them online or in a store. They are easy to use and fast to receive. Vouchers are available in most countries. MetroOpinion serves. So donating your earnings also. This is another way of spending your money on MetroOpinion. Donating your earnings to a good cause is a great idea. We have the option for you to donate the money. In the dashboard, you can see and choose who will get your donation. Work from home by doing surveys. How much you can earn by working from home. All of these are in MetroOpinion. See, it is available in all countries. In Europe, you can see it. You can see in Oceania, you can see even from Africa, especially if you are from Nigeria. This is Nigeria here. You can also sign in through that place. And if you are from Asia also, you can simply do it. From North America, South America, everybody is welcome on this. So all you need to do now is to come to this place. Okay, just click on start here. Start here. Okay, put in your email, that one you used to register your PayPal, your password, and repeat the password and click on register. That is that on how you can go about it on MetroOpinion. So as for me, I log in. Let me quickly show you. You can see it's loading. It's loading. Okay, this is my dashboard for now. These are the surveys. These are my rewards. So I don't have anything for now. My profile. So I just click on it. For the sake of this video, I will not click on it. I won't go into details much, but that is how your dashboard will be on your profile. You click, you see your dashboard, and you see how to get your money. And on the surveys, sorry for all this, on the surveys, you will see the surveys that are available to you, and your reward also will always be shown here. Thank you for hearing me out on this video. Please subscribe to MetroOpinion, www.metroopinion.com, for you to be able to get some side income for yourself. If you find value in this video, please turn on your notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.